Complacency in workplace could be fatal. A public service message by Safety Encyclopedia. Complacency can be the most dangerous mindset that results in an injury or accident. When working on routine, repetitive tasks, you can become very comfortable, and you go on autopilot. Complacency causes a sense of numbness to hazards. You get so used to things being done the same way, that you do not always look at the hazards in your surroundings. You may also underestimate the risk of tasks that you perform regularly, or fail to notice a change in your environment when you become complacent in your daily routines. Complacency can be defined as self-satisfaction, especially when accompanied by unawareness of actual dangers or deficiencies. Complacency is extremely dangerous in the workplace, and could end with fatality accident. To learn more safety item, don't forget to subscribe, Safety Encyclopedia, and hit the bell icon.